Binary options are not a casino. Binary options are a business, and if you treat them like an entertainment, you will lose money. Most people don't lose because of strategy, they lose because of mindset, and mindset decides everything in trading. A casino is built on emotions and excitement, but professional trading is built on logic and probability. In a casino, you hope to get luck, but in trading, you wait for confirmation. Luck doesn't matter in the long term, discipline does. One trade means nothing, 2 trades means nothing, even 10 trades means nothing. What matters is repetition. The same rules again and again. Beginners ask, will this trade win? But professionals ask, does this trade follow my rules? I don't try to predict the market. I follow a system. The system protects me, especially when emotions appears. Losses are not a problem. Losses are part of the business, and every business has expenses. Trading is the same. The real danger is emotional trading. That is gambling. Professional trading is boring, and boring is good. Boring means controlled, and controlled means stable. If you want excitement, trading is not for you. If you want consistency, welcome to the business.